Welcome, everyone. Today, we welcome back to our campus former President Jimmy Carter to discuss his recent work with the Elders Project, and in particular, to talk about their efforts to end the crisis and the human rights tragedy in Darfur. Darfur presents a set of conditions that compels attention and has stimulated action throughout the world and on a number of fronts, including American universities.